Okay, you can talk to a lawyer for free. Tomorrow, one phone call can get your legal questions answered with Lawyers on Call.
It's such a great service.
Sure
Five
is.
on your sides, Keely Arthur here to explain what you can get out of this free service, Keely.
Dan and Lena, believe it or not, this is the 18th year for Lawyers on Call. It's a day of service where hundreds of lawyers from all over the state volunteer their time to take your call and give you clear, accurate, professional information that really only a licensed lawyer can provide.
When natural disaster strikes, there's a group of volunteer attorneys ready to give guidance to victims. But even with all the training they do, no one expected Helene.
There's no precedent that anyone remembers for a storm like this.
For the past few months, free legal clinics in Western North Carolina have helped hundreds of people work through insurance disputes, appeal FEMA denials, and more. That need is expected to carry over to this year's Lawyers on Call event.
We are anticipating a lot of calls from the fallout from the hurricane. So you've got landlord-tenant issues, you've got, different employment issues, and of course bankruptcy is maybe at the forefront of some people's minds this year.
Lawyers who specialize in taxes, criminal law, estate planning, and immigration will also be taking calls. Attorney Alexis Pendergraph explained how important it is to speak to a professional who understands the law and how it relates to your situation.
Your success and your family's success with navigating through the immigration system is directly tied to having counsel and proper legal advice.
Before you call, get your facts together, have your questions ready, and have a way to take notes.
The entire program is based off of the concept that there needs to be equal access to justice. And so this is the day that both the North Carolina Bar Association and the North Carolina Bar Foundation partner together to allow that access.
All right, you can call 919-891-9779. This is one of our longest events. It goes from 10 a.m. till 7 p.m. tomorrow. It's also one of our very busiest events, so make sure you call and call often. We're gonna have much more on this event on WREL.com. I'll be here early in the morning. Keely, go on, Lena.
So, and it's so interesting, you say it lasts so long. Also, if you get a call in before 7 o'clock, don't think that means that, once it's 7 o'clock, you can't get that call answered. They will still answer your call. You get in that line, correct?
That is exactly right. We will call you back, and we always try to pair people with the right attorney, lawyer for the type of advice they're looking for. So it's a process, but we always say kind of after work is really the busiest time. So if you can call earlier in the day, that's best.
All right. Thank you, Keely. So